Today is Wednesday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys. All right, so today is going to be a quick one. All right, I just wanted to pop in and share with you my 5 house cleaning hacks to always have a spotless home. A quick disclaimer here, all right? It is allergy season, so I must apologize for the red, watery, droopy eyes that are also very itchy. All right, it is my life for the rest of the spring. Okay, so please excuse. First hack, guys, to having a spotless home all the time is to have a home for everything. All right, everything should have a home. If you have a mud room, guys, and you keep your shoes over there in the mud room area of your home. By the way, I am down here in the basement for all of the new family members. Hello, guys, and hi from the basement. Sure that everything has a home is going to ensure that your home is always spotless. This also, guys, can carry over into your children's bedrooms. I would, start them up early, making sure that areas in their bedrooms have, certain areas for certain things, okay? There's a toy bin, toys shouldn't be in the drawer. There's a coat area. There's a way that they should be hanging their pants. So there should be a sock drawer. You shouldn't go in there, especially during the season of travel. Spring break and summer travel is going to be, here really soon. If it's not already ready for some of you guys, you don't want to start trying to help your kids pack and they have socks and t-shirt drawer or underwear in there with the skirts. Make sure everything has a spot, a permanent home in your home, and it will ensure that every little nook and cranny of your home is spotless. And I want to say, I think I've touched on this before, Mimi, had she made sure that closet was clean and everything was in its home, she would not, I would suspect, have had a problem with the cameras being in her closet. My second hack, guys, is to ensure that you have a daily cleaning routine. Now, it is no secret, we do have help with keeping the house clean. However, they're not here every day. And so on the daily, there are certain areas of the house that I make sure to clean. All right, that would be the kitchen. All right, I don't think there's a room that gets more used than the kitchen. You're in there cooking, you're in there socializing, you're in there hanging out. You want to make sure that your kitchen is always clean, guys. You want to do that on a daily basis. So in the event that you have those people that like to drop by without calling, that main hub of the home is going to always be clean. Another area that I try to make sure I at least spot clean is going to be the bathroom, our master bathroom. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, I think we have 5 bathrooms. I don't clean all 5 bathrooms daily. However, I do make sure the guest bathroom and the main area of the house is clean, and I make sure our master bathroom is clean. Again, the master bathroom, it just goes without saying, that's the area you and your spouse are going to spend, you know, a lot of time. You want that to be your little oasis, your little haven. So you absolutely want that to be clean. After you retire up there at the end of the day, you want to have somewhere that you can go and just relax. So make sure you clean in that bathroom, your master bath, every day. And then the guest bathroom, again, when people are just dropping by, you don't want them to catch you off guard. They need to use the restroom, but you don't have any toilet tissue on the roll. There's no soap in the container. There are no hand towels for them to dry. And you know, you got a little 5-year-old running around the house, and he likes to go to the guest bathroom and leave little pee stains. So you want to make sure you're cleaning those areas. I don't clean Chase's bathroom every day. That's his area. I leave it up to him to make sure he's, you know, doing spot cleaning in the, you know, in the interim. So my third hack, guys, is going to be one that I think we all kind of battle with from time to time, and that is going to be to live minimally. All right, and you can pick different areas of your home to kind of execute this. I actually just did it in our kitchen. I bought some new pots. I received some new pots and cookware for Christmas, so I actually went through and donated all of my old ones to Goodwill. Some of them weren't even Goodwill worthy. I just kind of tossed them. So in doing that, I'm able to cut down on not only the clutter, but it makes, again, when I'm ready to start cooking, I'm able to, you know, get in the kitchen and find those pots and pans that I'm really wanting to use. You know, I can do it a lot easier. Also, ladies, I know that we love a good throw pillow. Yes, I love a good throw pillow, but we do need to make sure we are leaving some room on the sofa. I do know if you have, you know, family members who like to lounge around in the family room and, you know, just really lay on top of those pillows, they kind of get condensed and, you know, they, you know, become a little bit worn, and we do need to kind of refreshing them. Well, that is the key. Don't keep the old pillows. You want to kind of make sure if you're bringing something new into your home, go ahead and switch some things out. You don't want to live, you know, a cluttered life. It's great when we can get new things, but it's also great when we can kind of share some of the things that we no longer want with other people. All right, number 4, guys, is going to be one that I tell you, I struggle with this one, and it is going to be get help from your children. All right. Chase is an only child, and you know, we spoil our only kids. Let me know in the comments if you have an only child and that only child is, that little girl or boy, they're just spoiled, and that is Chase. And so I struggle with, you know, asking him to do things because, number one, I feel like I can do a better job at it. All right, sometimes I do enlist his help in the kitchen, but by the time he's finished, I have to mop the entire kitchen because water is everywhere. All right, and then the other thing, you know, I grew up having to do everything. I had so much responsibility, and so I just feel like I want to let him be a kid and just not worry him with, you know, household chores. However, there is the voice of reason, my Eric. He's like, you know, this is what he needs. This is what is going to help him, you know, to run his household and be productive. You know, look at you. The fact that you had all of that responsibility has translated into, you know, the person that you are. So I do struggle with that. So that's tip number 4. I need to use it myself. It is going to be enlist help from your children. It is going to take some of the workload off of you, especially those of you who have, you know, 3, maybe 4 kids. And when you have that many kids, I can only imagine the amount of work that you have to do daily to keep your home clean. So get them to help you out so that you're not so tired. So the last hack that I have for you guys is going to be to deep clean seasonally. So right now it is spring. Everybody is doing that really deep spring cleaning, getting rid of all those old things that we had over the winter, even some of the items that we kept through the fall. It's time to get rid of those items, guys. Deep clean seasonally. I know There will be those of you who are saying, well, Tan, it's easy for you to do, you know, some of these things that you're suggesting because your house doesn't get, you know, super dirty. You got the one kid, you got housekeepers, but I'm willing to bet you guys, if you kind of do steps 1 through 4, by the time you get to step 5, you will not have a whole lot to do. Those of you who are wondering about the price for housekeeping, guys, it's not super expensive. It's not as expensive as you might think. You don't have to get housekeepers coming in every day. You don't have to get them coming in every week. You can actually kind of get on a schedule, one that works for you, your budget, your household. Well, that is it, guys. Those are my 5 cleaning hacks for making sure that your home is always spotless. All right, let me know if there are any hacks that you have that I did not mention here today. Let me know if you are seriously considering doing the whole housekeeper thing, at least just once a month, or you know, once a season, once a year. You owe it to yourself, guys. All right, if there's something that you have to take off of your, you know, list of must-haves, whether it be your nails, your toes, your hair, your makeup, I'm telling you, put in the housekeepers just for that one time. You'll love it. You'll love it. Leave them, you come back, the house is clean, it's smelling fresh, it's like a new home, I'm telling you. So let me know which were your favorites. All right, let me know again if there are any that I left off. I cannot wait to chat with you guys down in the comments. I really do appreciate you guys stopping in, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.